Yep, think we are good. We are good. Hey Jax. Yep, long time no see. How's it going? How's work? How's life? Just writing the tweet to share this. Hey Vash, how good morning? Cool. I think yeah, let's continue what we where we entered last time. Uh, yep. Cool. Let me just send a tweet also that if anybody's up and bored and want to join this stream. I know. Share. Give me 1 second. Live. I'm too slow. Twitch.tv. Yes. Cool. I think we can start. I hope the mic audio is good. Also, the background music is not disturbing. Cool. Alright, let's just run the app and see where we are at right now. Okay. Okay, we have the app in here. We have the share feature also. Let's zoom out. Let's see what happens when we click the share URL. Oh, we need one more thing. We need our sheet also. Share URL. This equals Benchart. Benchart shares this. has to be separate window. We'll have one tab for the local host. What was localhost address? 8080. Okay, let's put it here. Cool. Okay, let's just do one thing. Let's remove the old data. Okay, so I click on share URL or share. What's going to happen? Yeah, we're getting an exception inside on share clicked. And yes, this is where we stop doing things. This is where the error is getting printed. And this is happening because we probably have a non-async task in here, async false. To fix this, we need to make this as true. And we need to start by why it showed failed to execute error. Yes, failed to execute error. What does it mean? That's where we stopped last time. Let's go to this network and see what's inside that. Oh, it's gone. That's bad. Let's just zoom out here and click the share button. Couldn't store data, failed to execute send on blah blah blah. And data also not got insert. So how do I fix this? We have to make it async. Let's refresh this. Still no data. We'll do one thing. We'll make this async. We'll just insert this when we have a throwable. We'll just print it. See what happens. We won't rethrow the exception. Okay, clicking share. SSL. Oh, I have a wrong URL. We need to fix this. docs.google.com. And now I think we will have the data. Hey Ash, how's it going, man? How was your day? How was your Monday? Okay, app updated, recompiling, yes. Now clicking share, we have the share key. Access text from origin local has been blocked by CRS policy. No access control origin present on the requested source. Access control allow origin. Okay, let's see what this actually does. The access controller response header indicates whether the response can be shared with requesting code from the given origin. Okay. For requests without credential, the return value is 0. Star can be specified as a wildcard. The value tells browser to allow requesting code from any origin to access. Okay, what was the What was that call went in? Hold on a second. We send this and we got a 200 and what's that access control allow origin? What is that? Am I audible, guys? I should be. If not, just please add some comment in the chat. Okay, cool. Why there is this error while I have 200 and the data also got insert? Why? This part looks good. Response header, where is that access allow? We don't have that. In request header, it's also looking okayish. Origin. Strict origin when cross origin. What is strict origin when cross origin? What does that mean? More privacy. With this policy, only the origin is sent in the refer header of cross origin request. This prevents leaks of private data that may be accessible from other parts of the URL, such as path and query string. What is that? A new default for policy from strict origin and cross origin. If you are unsure of the difference between the site origin, check out and understand the same site origin. Not sure, like why we are getting this error while the data is getting, successfully into the sheet. Not sure about this part. So we'll do one thing. We'll have a different strategy to verify this. Okay. We'll just ignore this exception, let's say. And yeah, let's make it string false. Let's ignore this exception. This we are ignoring. And then let's try this. I have a better strategy to verify if we have everything. We'll do that. So currently we are getting exceptions when we are sending that data to Google Sheet, but our data is getting insert. Now we need to verify if it's actually getting inserted or not. How do we do that? We can use the share key and chunk size here. Yes, using share key and chunk size to verify the upload. Yes. I don't know if this is a good approach or not, but let's try this. So I have this data in here. I'm sharing this, and I got the. Wait. Let's delete this. Let's just. Yeah, I'm sharing this, and I got an exception, but my data is here now. And I only have one row of data. That's fine. And now Oh wait, I think I lost the data one again. Trying again. Share, close, sorry, clear, share, exception. We have the share key, we have the data. Now we can just query the sheet and verify, just send a query to the Google Sheet that, and we can get the input size or something to verify the amount of chunk we send is equal to the chunks available in the Google Sheet. I think that's the only way now to verify if our upload is actually finished or not. Now, to increase the testing coverage, I would just copy paste more data into this until I hope we have now probably oops, did we go refresh? Yeah. What's the input length of this? Can I do this in here? Length? No, I can't. So the easiest way to check the input size is something like this, and we have 44,000 characters. Okay, that's enough. Now let's make our sheet clear, and let's just send this 42,000 characters. It should be, I think it should be 2 chunks because we are splitting by 30,000 characters. 3, 2, 1, go. And we have chunk 1 and the next chunk also here. Great. And I hope the key is also same. This key is also same. Now we need to verify this. And to verify this, I have to go to Postman first. Give me a second. Let me open. I think this is it. Okay, what was our share key? Our share key was this one. Let's just fire it and see what it returns. And that's our data. Okay. Now this is a verify query. Let's see if we can count the column. So let's see, count of C. Can we do this? Yeah. So there are 2. C means chunk size. There are 2 chunks to this key. That's how we are going to validate it. Okay. Can we say no? We don't have that much control. Count chunk index. That's the key. And what about? Okay, I think the easiest one and the simple one is counting the column C, where it be equal to key. I think we are good here. Then let's just keep this query in our clipboard. Postman job is done. Now we need to verify this if yes. So uploaded chunk count. The left here says till you can query sheet with SQL. I didn't get the question. Can you just elaborate a little bit? Yeah, uploaded chunk. We just count how many chunks we uploaded into this. Yeah, we have Google Form repo. We need a Google Sheet repo also now. Let's just copy this. But do we have Google Sheet repo there? We have. Okay, let's say our Google Sheet repo. And let's just modify this, this, and we don't need this part. We also basically we don't need anything in here. Let's get chunk count, and this is going to be the share key. No, let's turn off this. Yep. Share key. And this should return an integer. Yeah. And in here we have to do something. So we'll create a companion object, and we will yeah, let's get the base URL here. So this is the, what's our base URL? Yep, this is our base URL. TQ, I think. Should I make it so abstract? No, you don't need. You only have one sheet right now, and that's enough. Yeah, that's enough for us right now. Now we need to get the full URL, and chunk count URL equals base URL and oh wait, data post. I think this is a get request or post. This is a get request, so we can't do body post. We have to construct the URL ourselves. So let's just first try to do it the stupid way by just pasting this into directly here, and just change the share key and see if it works or not first. And how did we make the request in here? I think to return it in, we will have to make this async again, which I don't want to do. Yeah, let's do one thing. Let's return it here on chunk size. We'll pass integer back to it. We are not expecting anything back. And let's copy this, remove this, the ID, implement it, and then get this in here. And yeah, let's keep our form repo in here for this Ajax reference. So XHR XML HTTP request XHR.open. This is a get, and this is going to be the chunk count URL, and XHR.send. That's it. And we need to set a listener also, and let's see how we can set the listener. XHR response listener JavaScript. To listen for the response, how to easily select the request in JavaScript. XHR get sample JavaScript. Okay, the API is on ready state change, and this is lambda, and we will get the event. The event has wait. What is the event? Its event has something called ready state. No, right? I think that's on XHR then. There you go. And ready state 4 means what? Do we have documentation in here? Negative. So what is ready state 4? Anyone talking about 4? When ready state property is 4 and the state is property, the response is ready. Okay. If that's the contract, let's write it down in here. If XSR dot ready state equal to 4 and XSR dot status equals to 200. Why this is short? How do I convert this to short? We have short here. Okay, I hope that's valid. How do I get the error state then? How do I get the error? Let's do one thing. Let's just print ready state XSR dot ready state and status. Okay, XSR dot status in here. I don't think we are using event. That's fine. And let's pass the chunk size here. So the response will look something like this. Yeah, something like this. We need to, yes, we need to get the second line. What if I don't, what if it's a wrong key? I hope it returns 0. Oh, it doesn't return anything. That's something that we need to worry about. But yeah, let's not worry about that now. Let's just try to parse this. The response. So the response will be XHR dot response text. Okay. Yeah, we'll just split this in here itself by new lines. So response lines. We'll have one more callback. How do we know if it's failed or not? When failed, we will send the reason back. We are expecting anything back from there. Yeah, if response lines greater than or equal to, sorry, equals to 2, valid chunk exists. Okay, chunk doesn't share doesn't exist. In here we will wait on failed. Yes, on failed. What's the reason? Invalid share key. No chunk exists for share key. Share key. Now that's the first error we will get. It's fine. We can also, wrap this inside in this and catch the toggle, and also can call e.message or something went wrong. It's null. Okay. Now the chunk exists. We have to get the chunk size, and we have to go to this first line for that, and then we have to replace all double quotes with empty string and convert this to an integer. Okay. Wait, this is the chunk size, and on chunk size we will pass this there. And what is it expecting? It expecting an int. What is this issue? I think it's the same. Oh, sorry. I think it's a variable name issue. Now we'll have the chunk size in here. This should just work. Let's go back to our view model. And where is our on share click? Yep. Let's minimize this. And let's verify it like this. Google Sheet, sorry, I think we need Google Sheet repo here. Google Sheet repo. Let's just go to our beautiful dependency injection framework. Okay. And where is this on share? Yeah. There is this thing called bookmarks, right? I rarely use this feature. Oh, F11 has some other shortcuts defined. I don't know how that works. Delete bookmark. Never mind. Let's call our Google Sheet repo get chunk count, or let's call this get chunk size. Okay. Share key on chunk. Okay, wait. Let's do this with named params. On chunk size, we will do something with it. On failed, we have to alert the user. Right? You can just directly pass the message. I will say share failed, then reason. Okay. Checking data integrity. Okay, this is chunk size. Wait, uploaded remote chunk size. And okay, remote chunk size equals to chunks dot size. Data integrity check. Okay, this is where we have the share fail. We'll do the window dot. Do we have a stage for error in here? I think this better be an alert message. This is more like on-screen error message, which we don't need. We can use window dot alert here. Share failed. Expected chunks dot size to chunks but found remote 2. That should give us some kind of yes. here we can, for now we will print the share URL. Share success, and let's, yeah, share success is enough. And then we'll do one more thing. We will just where we are running this 8080, right? Yeah. And if I do a fragment, it will work. Yes. Yes. So I'll just say share p in here, and let's see. Okay. I hope we are good. Yep, we are good now. So how do I clean this? First, let's clean this, delete rows. We don't have any data in here. Clicking the share button, it takes some time. We have ready state 2, 3, 4. We have share success, and then we have the URL. Okay. Now upload, looking good. What is this 2, 3, 4 means? How do I know if the, I think it will throw some exception. Let's say I don't, I have a URL error. What will happen then? Am I going to get an error message or not? Let's do this. Share. I didn't get the exception. Or user don't know what happened with this request. Okay, there is a status 0 which we can observe. I think that we can do. So here it comes, and if this is true, we will just do the success handling, and if it's Google Sheet repo through an error, and oh, we are not doing anything with the on fail. Oh, we are doing it. Why it didn't hit here? Maybe just getting in here, I'm not sure, but it's failed. How do I know the reason? Get chunks is why this is auto refreshing. Okay, share failed. Fine. At least something we are getting. And it's failing inside get chunk size. And we have a catch here, right? I think it's probably, it's failing here, which should be, it should get hit with this. Why we are not getting that? Why are we not getting there? It even propagated to here. Okay. How come? How come? This is weird. Why it didn't got caught here? Share request failed. Okay. Oh, wait. B, I think we have better reasoning. If it's 0, I think it's. Wait, let's we have something to learn here. Okay, we getting status 0. What is 0 means? Oops, XHR status. Oops, yes. Okay. Opened. Loading. 200 done. So 0 means the request didn't go out, right? Yeah. We can just say, failed or something for now. Share request failed, that's fine. That's fine for now. We will improve it later. But I think we don't have to worry too much about that right now. So I think we are done with the upload part and verification part. We can just do a small commit. Finished upload. And I think I should get this URL dynamically. And window.location property should have this origin host. Okay, we'll do origin in here. Window.location what? Origin. Okay. Cool. With the share key, the graph and all the chunk data will be visible, right? Yes. That's one warning we have to. Maybe with the share key, the graph and all the chunk data will be visible. Yes. So currently we are using this key to upload it, and when people click on this link, let's say we are opening a new tab, what we will do is we will just check the URL and see if there is any ID associated with it. If there is an ID, we will just fetch the data and just load the form. That's what we are going to do. So upload part is done, and let's update this. Upload and generate URL. This is done. Oops. And this is what we are dealing with now. Yep. Cool. Reading. So current task is reading share URL. That's the current task we are going to do. Now that we finish with the upload, we can go implement that. To do this, let's get a valid key. Let's get this, and let's just put this in here. Refresh the page. Okay, let's remove the data. Let's make this empty. Okay, cool. Now let's go to our home view model. And this is where we will be pre-filling the input box with the shared data. Yeah, we have refresh benchmark, saved benchmark, get saved benchmark, which is getting loaded. And I think once the init part is done, we have okay, saved benchmark. I think we can do the preloading here. Okay. First, we need to get the URL. So how do we get the URL? Let's try this here. Window dot. Okay, wait. I think I can go to. Yeah, I think I can go to this. Hold on a second. Yeah. So let's go to GitHub, and I think I recently did the same thing for log. We can just go to this part. Let me see what I'm actually, how am I getting this? Yes, this is the data, and this is window location href. Okay, window location href. Reading share key. First we will just put this code in here. That's JavaScript. We will change it. We'll say window location href. We can also verify. Oops. I think we'll do one thing. This is getting auto updated. I want to only update when we press the command S or something. How do I do this? Let's search that first. Wait a second. Let me see if there is a way to do this. Continuous with only command save or command S. Save individual. Please implement a save current file only. Fixed. Please implement save and current file only command. That is a different issue. Build project automatically. Allows automate to start even if I develop application currently running. There should be some option, but I'm not sure which one to enable this. Basically, I don't want to refresh this whenever I make the code. I only want to refresh this when I press the command S or something like that. Let's go to compile. Build tools, compiler, build independent module, display notification automatically, show first error. Build project automatically. Only works while not running or debugging. How does it work? I don't know how that is going to work. I don't think it works like that. Okay, let's do, when are we going to save things? Save file for the ID, save files when switching to different application. Okay, auto save or built-in terminal, backup files before saving, sync external, periodically when the ID is inactive. Okay, confirm before exiting the ID, reopen the project and startup. Before we don't want this. Okay, is there anything else? Build execution, no. Tools, action on save. Okay, reformat code. Okay. I think let's see if it works first. I hope it won't refresh this itself. It didn't. Now what happens if I press Command S? Now that's what I'm talking about. Yes. It will refresh one more time, I guess, but that's fine. But href is this one. Yes, that's the URL we need. I'm gonna call this full URL, or let's call it current URL. Okay. And why this is okay, fine. Last index plus one, which means we'll get the data in here. Let's call this share key. The share key is not blank. Load payload. No, load input for the share key. For the share key, that's fine. And let's get the input shared input, and that should come from Google Sheet repo, and that should be get input. Cool. Yeah, I think that should do it. And we'll pass the, let's make it more verbose. Get shared input. And this should return a string. Simply a string. Okay, fine. Now, I think this has to be again async. I don't want to slow down the website. On shared input, input string, which not expecting anything back. And on failed, yeah, same thing. And I think we can change function signature in here. Yeah, let's copy the same structure, except we need to go to Postman now. And what's our key right now? Our key is this one, and we need two things basically. Oh, we don't need two things. We only need the data, and we can how do we do this? No. We need Benchart shares. Yes, we just need column B. Sorry, we only need column B, but B equals to this one. Wait, for C equal to B. What? We don't have that. Wait, it should be B. What am I doing here? Fine. And we'll do one order by C, so that we will get the input in the same order. Cool. And yes, This is what we need. So we can just remove the first chord from here. There should be another one at the end. Yeah, this also, and then we can just push it back. Fine. So this is the query we need. Okay, let's get the query from here and in here, and we'll replace our share key with this. And it's again, yeah. And the processing will be a little different this time. We won't be splitting this. Okay, let's look at the response data first. We parse this. Yeah, let's remove this part or comment this out. We have the lanes. So let's see what happens if I don't have anything at all. I mean, false key, there will be only one line. I think it's yeah, we can check the next line index. Okay, so next line index. Okay, first line break index. The response line index of first. Yeah, I think this will pick the first new line character. And let's see what it prints. Okay, index is first line. We'll also yeah, print the response lines. Yep. Let's save this. Let's share input. Yeah, let's get this share key. What do we need? Share key. We have share key coming in. Then we have on shared input. We have shared input in here. And on fail, we'll do window.cover only. Message. Shared input. We'll just for now we'll just show this as a message. I think that will mess up the alert window for sure, but let's see. Okay, let's reload this page. And what happened? What happened? Okay, it's recompiling. Okay, well, let's bring the share key over here. Why our share key is not coming here? It should. I think I fucked up my save configuration. I think I may have. That's why it's not getting saved. Or wait. There is a syntax issue. This is why we are not able to. Wait, I think that should be one of the reasons, but it shouldn't be that. Why? Why this thing is not getting print? Okay, so we got something. Share key read successfully. That's fine. And we got some error. Wait, what did we got? What did we get? Okay, I think we have a wrong URL. That should be it. But let's try this one more time. I think I should go to that autosave option and undo whatever I did. For some reason my save is not working. Save file and switching to different location down. Yes. Okay, we have the input data in here and the index is 13. Okay, cool. Now if I have an invalid key, the input should be, yeah, index is -1. Okay, so that means we can rely on that variable to check if we have a valid response. Okay. Yes. So where is that? Okay, so first line break index not equal to -1, we will process it. Otherwise, we will call on failed invalid share key. Okay. Okay. Now we have the index. What we can do is we can substring the, yeah, yes, yeah, shared input response lines dot substring first line break +1. That means we will also remove the first quotes. Then we need to substring that again. Oh, we can give a range, I guess. Hold on a second. Yeah, we can give a range. So the range will be, we have a start index and end index. So let's play with that. Let's not play with the range. I think either way it's fine, but let's try with this. Response lines size, okay, length -1. Is that it? Oh, shared input. Now that we have input loading, we can use this to load our whatever input we have. So how do we update the form? How do we fill this input box with the data? To see that, we have to go where we are changing this, and form UI, we have a form. And what are we doing with that? Where is our text area? Form.data. We need to modify form.data. Fine. How do we do that? We can say form equal to form.copy data equal to shared input. We can call on form changed with this form object should select unsaved. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see what happens now. I save the file, and let's say I refresh this page. I have the data, but I think it's just recompiling again. Yes, that's our data loaded from the sheet. I think we are done. Let's test this in full screen. Let's wait a second. Let me make sure that I didn't miss anything. So let's say we have this data and the last character is 4, let's say, and I click on share and I get the new URL. I copy it, I paste it in my browser. Wait a second, let's do it here. I paste in my browser and I have the data already in here. And it looks kind of messed up also, but is this what I'm looking for? First part looks fine, but this part doesn't look good. Or is it part of the payload? How is this nice clap? Yeah, I didn't expect it to work in the first go. I think we still need some kind of formatting at the inputs, and I'm not sure if it's there because it's there in the input. I think the input doesn't have that. Yeah, input doesn't have that. Oh, it's happening because I know why it's happening. It's happening because each row is a node in here. Correct? It's happening because of that. I'll show you why that's happening. Let's say, you see, every row starts with this. And if I search for codes, you see the next chunk starts from here, right? And the previous chunk also has this thing. So I can't just take start to end. I have to understand the areas I need to break. That's why we are getting, these codes in between. And and that's going to be a tricky problem to solve, because the input can also have the same pattern. Like, it can obviously end a line with these chords and start the next line with the another chord, and I wouldn't know which one is true, right? I mean, which one is the row breaker or which one is the actual content. And let's see, if we include the index, is it going to help somehow? Now we have the chunk index coming in here, and I think that index, that can be treated as, yeah, see, that can be treated as this, like this, but this pattern can also come. Maybe I need to restrict the usage of double quotes in the input. I think that's one way I can do this, but that's very stupid. That I shouldn't do that. How do we do this? We can do it like in multiple ways, but I don't want to break that input freedom. Like, I want the user to input anything. How do we know this? How do we know this? How do we know that this is a line break? Let's get this to one thing. Let's do one thing. Let's go to regex 101. Let's see if we can pattern match this somehow. Okay. Can I have line number over here? No. Nope, I can't. So these are line breaks. And let's put this in here. Let's pattern match for this specific thing. And what does that looks like? We have a, okay, we have match 1 in here. Let's say I am replacing with this an integer, could be any integer, and we have these two patterns in here. That is interesting enough. I'm not sure if we can just pattern match this, and yeah, um yeah, so this is the pattern we have. We have a line break, sorry, we have a quotes, then we have a line break, then inside the quotes we will have a number, and that's the pattern. And this is group 1. How do I just skip the group? This is how I skip the group. Yeah, so if I replace this with blank strings, we probably have an input, like a clean input. I'm just thinking, what if I don't have the second input? Let's say, hmm, let's do this. Yeah, let's say I don't have the second part. Okay, let's just assume I don't have the second part, and I'll still match the 0. Fine. Let's say I don't have the first part. I will have no. Okay, fine. Let's try this regular expression. Let's try this. So after getting the response lines and after getting the shared input, we have to, yeah. This is going to be so tricky. The first line break, yes. Replace two regex with this. Okay. Let's see what is going to happen. Before moving forward, I want to confirm one more thing, that wait. Yeah, before moving forward, let's clean up this input and make sure we have some clean input ready. Yes, delete rows, and we have, where is our sample input? Yeah, this is our sample. Let's make it, let's trim it. This is our sample input, which should be more than 30,000, 44,000. That's fine. Let's paste this in here. We have the graph and everything ready. We'll click the share button and our data gets uploaded in here with two chunks. Fine. We have a URL here. Great. We'll just load this. Why I don't see a difference? Okay, let's load it in a new window. Yeah, let's load it in a new window. And yeah, we need to strip this out, but apart from that, it looks fine, right? I think it looks fine. Yeah, it looks fine. Just that there is this quotes right before that. And that also we can remove. Wait, let's see. What's our key? Let's get our key. So if I go to regex, if I paste this, I'll have two matches. One in here. Wait. Let's go to match one. What if I don't have this line? I think I have to do this before doing that. Yeah, I have to do that before doing this split. But not here. Yeah, I don't have to do this part. Yeah, I have to do this after that. So substring should happen after I cleaning up after the cleanup. Now let's try this. So I'm still getting this input chunk. I think I need to modify the query a little bit in here. I think we need to return now C and D. That's the problem. C and D will, yeah. One more refresh. Where is that refresh? Yeah, there comes the recompile. Okay, now the input looks good. We don't, but did we lose that first hash? I think we lost that. How many hash we had in the input? Let's do one thing. Yes, how many hash we had in the first? We didn't have any hash. We had a hyphen and a space. Both are gone. That's happening because of the substring. Let's fix that. There is some issue with the compile. Let's stop this and recompile it. Okay, we still don't have that. Google Sheet repo. What if we don't substring at all? What will happen? Okay, then we will have something like this. So we need to substring it, but without hurting the input. All right, I think I'll continue this tomorrow. We have upload, we have the download. I think I can continue tomorrow. I have office tomorrow, so I have to sleep early. Wish this could be a weekend, but yep, it's fine. We'll continue tomorrow. Anyone is watching, if Aish is watching, thanks for tuning in, man. I'll see you next time. Uh, thanks for tuning in. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, Basha. Awesome project. Thanks, man. Means a lot. Good night.